everybody. Okay, I'm so excited. I have to show you guys what I just got in the mail yesterday. These are looms from Cindy Woodcraft, aka premiumknittinglooms.com. Now in October, they did a launch of the Knitted Knockers loom bundle. It was such a hit that they were, anybody who ordered them, you know how hard it was, because they had what they thought they would sell cut, and then they sold out of those, and then they had to get like 100 more made up. So it was a huge success for them. Now they started having requests for a different gauge, so they put out a different gauge in the fine gauge loom. Now this one is a 1/4 inch gauge. This one is a 3/8 inch gauge. Both of these are very tiny. This one right here, you can use like a size 3 yarn on it, and it'll be fine. This one you can use a 3, if you use a 4, some 4s maybe a little bulky on it, but you can use a 3 or 4 single strand. So these ones are actually on their website. You can buy them right now, but I'll put all the information in the description below. I was able to get these in advance because I'm one of the designers that writes patterns for Cindy Wood. The requests were so large that they decided to put out 2 more fine gauge looms. Again, they're doing the 3/8 inch gauge. This is a 3/8 inch gauge adult hat loom. It has 80 pegs on it. As you can see, this one I couldn't wait to do the video before I cast on my first project on it. This is the 1/4 inch gauge, 120 peg adult hat loom. And as you can see, it's knitting up very nicely with, this is alpaca yarn I'm using. So it's actually, this one right here, it's sort of in between a 2 and a 3. So I'm just going to call it 2.5. And it is knitting up just wonderful with this. And what's awesome is these looms, the gauge is so small that a lot of your nicer yarns, your alpacas and a lot of your wools and stuff like that, are in a finer gauge. So you can use that just single strand without having to double your strands up and dealing with all that. But I'm going to give you a comparison. This is the 1/2 inch gauge adult hat loom that they've got out now. This is the 1/2 inch gauge, and this one was before they changed the peg numbers. This one has 59 pegs on it. So look at the difference. I'll show you it compared to this one. So there's a huge difference, and as you know, even with your 1/2 inch gauge, depending on your stitch, you can use your size 4 yarn, but depending on the stitch you use, sometimes it's kind of loose. So with these, you can use a size 2, you could use a size 3, you can use, with this one, if you're using maybe like the Caron Simply Soft, their size 4 is smaller than the Red Heart size 4. I think that one would work fine with this as well. But right now, from November 1st until November 30th, they are doing the pre-orders for these looms. And they'll all be shipped out by December 15th. So if you wanted to get these looms as Christmas gifts for somebody, you can get them and be guaranteed that you would get them by Christmas. These looms will not be available for sale and kept in stock on the website until January 2016. The price of them it's the same for both gauges. It is $35. Oh, let me look here. They are $32 to $37 a piece. I'm seeing some conflicting information on here, but they are $32 to $37 a piece, depending on the color page you choose and the gauge. How you do the pre-orders for these, all the information is in the description below. I'm basically just going to copy what it shows on the website and just put in the description so you can see all that, because you have to actually email them to get the invoice and everything to do the pre-order. Alright, so I am so excited about these. And another thing, a lot of the designers who wanted to, we were able to get these looms in advance so that we can get patterns wrote up, so that by the time you receive your looms, there will already be patterns wrote up for all these looms available on Cindy Woodcraft or PremiumKnittingLooms.com. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear what you guys think of these looms. As you can see, I've just got like 3 or 4 rows done. I just started, so far I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm making. It's going to be so cute. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to Premium Knitting Looms YouTube channel as well. I'll put the link for it in the description of this video as well. Thank you guys for watching.